This is a Perkins 404d-22t. This model is turbocharged. It has fuel issues. I've got two of them actually. This one is a 404d-22. This is non-turbo and fuel issue as well. I'll post videos after to demonstrate them running. This one here, the fuel shut off lever is stuck. This it's not really, well, it was stuck before. Now when you move the shut off, it doesn't, it retracts, but it doesn't come back out, go forward, and it's supposed to. So I'm gonna pull it out and see exactly what's going on, and then after I get them both sorted out, then I'll have videos of them running.